In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop OneDrive from syncing your desktop icons. If you're finding that your desktop is cluttered with icons that you don't want synced, you're in the right place. We've all been there, navigating a sea of unwanted files and folders on our desktops because OneDrive insists on syncing everything. Let's dive into how you can regain control and tidy up your digital workspace. First and foremost, you'll want to make sure you're signed into your OneDrive account. This might sound obvious, but it's essential for accessing any settings or making changes. Once you've confirmed that you're logged into the right account, look down at your taskbar and find the OneDrive Cloud icon. If you don't see it immediately, click on the little upward pointing arrow to show more icons. Once you find it, go ahead and give it a right click. This will open up a small menu where you will want to select Settings. With the Settings window now open, look for the Account tab. Here, you'll see a list of the folders that are currently being synced with your OneDrive. Find the button that says Choose Folders. By selecting this option, you'll be able to see all the folders that OneDrive is currently set to sync with your device. You'll notice a list of synced folders appears. If you see Desktop in this list, and you don't want it to be synced, simply uncheck the box next to it. Unchecking this box will stop OneDrive from syncing the items on your desktop with your cloud storage. Now, keep in mind that any files you still want available on your desktop need to have another copy saved elsewhere, as they will no longer be backed up by OneDrive once you do this. If you're happy with your choices, click OK to apply these changes. Once you click OK, a pop-up might alert you that the files will no longer be accessible on your current device without internet access. This is important to note if you regularly work offline. If you're okay with that, simply confirm your selection. Your desktop is now set up to not sync, giving you a bit more space to breathe and a lot more control over what files get uploaded to your cloud. To wrap things up, make sure to double-check your desktop after making these changes, to ensure everything is as it should be. If anything seems amiss, you can always retrace these steps and adjust as needed. And there you have it. With this newfound knowledge, your desktop can stay neat and personalized, just the way you like it. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more handy tech tips.